Did you know you can play Discord games completely by yourself without needing anyone else in the voice chat? Whether you want to practice your skills or just kill some time, starting a solo session is incredibly easy. To get started, navigate to any text channel in your personal server or a DM chat. Look at your text chat bar and click on the App Launcher button. It's the one with the distinct playful shapes. This will open up the Discord App Launcher window, showcasing thousands of apps and built-in activities. You can browse through the featured list or use the search bar at the top to find your favorite mini-games. Simply select the game you want to play and launch it directly in your text chat. If it asks for account permissions, just click Authorize and the game will start up instantly, allowing you to practice your strategies solo at your own pace. Once you are done playing, you can easily close out of the game or click the Leave Activity option below the screen. And that's it. That is how you enjoy solo gaming sessions on Discord anytime you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.